Good morning, first graders. Today we're on page 93 of your student journal, page 93, and our objective today is I will use pictures and number bonds to solve word problems with the difference unknown. Okay, so let's look at that objective. We're going to use pictures today and number bonds to solve word problems. Word problems are story problems with the difference unknown. Difference means we're going to have subtraction problems, okay? So we're going to have pictures and then number bonds. So let's look at our vocabulary. It first says take from. Take from is the difference unknown, okay? So we're going to have subtraction problems, and the answer to a subtraction problem is called the difference. So here's an example of a word problem or a story problem. There were 6 students in line to play handball. 4 students ran away. How many students are left? Okay, so I'm going to look at that one more time. It says there were 6 students in line to play handball. This 6, friends, is my starting number. So I know that that is my whole. My starting number is my whole. And then it says 4 students ran away. So 4 is one of my parts. My question says how many students are left? I'm missing my other part. This is called my unknown. So I know that if I take my whole and I subtract one of the parts, I'll end up with my other part, which is my unknown. Okay, and we're going to have pictures to help us solve those. Our example doesn't have pictures, but we are going to have pictures, and it will help us a lot. Okay, so let's look at our steps today. We're going to listen to the story problem. We're going to use a number bond to represent the problem. This is called our number bond. And then we're going to revisit the story problem to write and solve an equation. This is called our equation right here. Okay, so I'm going to get started on my first problem. And here is my first problem, friends. It says, there were 7 boats. 5 boats sail away. How many boats are left? Okay, so because it says there are 7 boats, this is my starting number, 7. So my starting number is also my whole. And then they give me a nice picture of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boats. And it tells me 5 boats sail away. So that's one of my parts. And this other part is how many parts are left. I don't know this. They tell me that it's B. This is what they're using as my unknown. It could be any letter. It could be a letter or a shape or a question mark. But how would I solve for this? Well, I know that my whole subtract one of the parts will give me the other part. So if I have my 7 boats and I take away or subtract 5, I'm going to be left with my other part. So here's my 7 boats. So let's take away 5. Let's pretend they sailed away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those 5 boats sailed away. So how many boats are left, boys and girls? 1, 2. So my answer is 2. 2 is my other part. It was my missing part. And that makes sense, boys and girls, because my 2 parts equal my whole. So if I added 5 and 2, I would get 7, because your 2 parts should equal your whole. Okay, I'm going to do another one of these. Here's my next problem. It says, Tina had 10 heart stickers. She gave away 6. How many heart stickers are left? Okay, so let's look at it again. Tina had 10 heart stickers. So 10 is her starting number, so it's her whole. And here they show us the 10 stickers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then what did Tina do? She gave away 6. So 6 is one of my parts. And my question says, how many heart stickers are left? And this time they're telling me my unknown is H. So H is my missing part. So I know my equation is if I take my whole and I subtract one of the parts, I'll get the other part. So I'm going to look at my whole, my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 hearts, and I'm going to subtract 6. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many hearts are left, boys and girls? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our answer is 4. 4 is our unknown. So 4 would go here. And again, that makes sense, friends, because 6 plus 4 equals 10. Your two parts should equal your whole. Okay, so let's try some of these together today. We are on page 94. So let's turn to page 94. And here is our first problem together. Ooh, cute owls. Miss Munoz loves owls. Okay, ready? There were 4 owls in a tree. 3 flew away. How many owls are left? Okay, so let's check this again. There were 4 owls in a tree. 4 is our starting number, so that is our whole. So put 4 in your whole in your number bond, and then we see our 4 owls. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then it tells us 3 flew away. So 3 is one of our parts. And our question says, how many owls are left? And they're telling us our unknown is W this time. This is our unknown. So we don't know what this part is. So we have to write our equation. Well, our equation is the whole, which is 4, subtract one of the parts will give us the other part. So the whole, take away one part, gives us the other part. So let's look at this. Here's our 1, 2, 3, 4 owls, and 3 flew away. So ready? 1, 2, 3. Those owls flew away. How many owls are left, boys and girls? I already put the answer by accident. Oh my, Miss Munoz already put the answer. Silly me. The answer is 1. There's only 1 owl left. Only 1 owl is left when 3 flew away. Oh, I kind of gave that one to you. This time I'm going to not give you the answer. I'm going to make you find it with me. Okay, here's our next problem. It says, there were 10 star stickers. 5 got lost. How many star stickers are left? Okay, let's read it one more time. There were 10 star stickers. So 10 is our starting number. It's our whole. And we can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and it says 5 got lost. So 5 is one of our parts. And our other part is S. They're telling us S is our unknown. Okay, so how do we write our equation? It's our whole, subtract one of the parts, equals our unknown or our missing part. This time I'm not giving you the answer, friends. Not yet. So it's our whole, subtract one part, equals our other part, which is our unknown. So let's figure out our answer. If there's 10 and 5 got lost, let's count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10, and we subtracted 5. How many do we have left? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 left. So 5 is our unknown. Okay, nice job, boys and girls. You're going to keep practicing these, okay? Have a great day. Bye.